Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gemini Earn for yield on supported crypto, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Gemini Earn, first, make sure you have a Gemini account. If you don't have one, visit the Gemini website or download the app to create an account. After registering, complete the verification process as instructed. Once your account is set up, log into the Gemini app or website. Navigate to the Earn section, which you'll find on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of supported cryptocurrencies eligible for earning interest. Choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to earn yield on. Carefully review the terms and conditions associated with Gemini Earn. Decide how much of your chosen cryptocurrency you want to allocate to earn. Enter the amount in the designated field. Confirm your selection and review the interest rates offered for that cryptocurrency. Once you're satisfied, proceed to submit your allocation. You will receive a confirmation that your assets are now set up to earn yield. Monitor your earnings regularly to track your interest accrual. You can withdraw your funds or adjust your earning settings at any time. Make sure to stay informed about any changes in terms or supported cryptocurrencies. That's how you can set up Gemini Earn to earn yield on your supported crypto as a beginner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.